Jesse, let us begin with algorithm concepts.
Sure, Harry.
What is an algorithm?
An algorithm is a finite set of well defined instructions to solve a problem. Algorithms are crucial for efficiency in tasks such as sorting and searching in data structures, helping optimize processes and reduce computation time.
Key concepts here are algorithm definition, efficiency, related to sorting or searching tasks. Common mistakes candidates make here are confusing algorithms with programs. Explain the difference between a linear search and a binary search.
A linear search looks at each element one by one, making it on in time complexity, suitable for unsorted lists. Binary search, on the other hand, works on sorted arrays, dividing the search interval in half. It's O-log-n, making it much faster.
Key concepts here are search algorithms, time complexity, highlight real-world examples. Common mistakes candidates make here are using binary search on unsorted data. What is big O notation and why is it important?
Big O notation is a mathematical representation that describes the upper limit of an algorithm's performance in terms of time or space as the input size increases. It helps in comparing the efficiency of algorithms, guiding optimal solution choices.
Key concepts here are algorithm analysis, efficiency comparison, use examples of different complexities. Common mistakes candidates make here are misunderstanding O1 versus ON, describe greedy algorithms and provide an example.
Greedy algorithms make optimal choices at each step to find a solution. For instance, the fractional knapsack problem selects items based on the highest value to weight ratio, maximizing profit efficiently but not always guaranteeing the absolute optimal solution.
Key concepts here are greedy algorithms, optimal choices, include real-world applications. Common mistakes candidates make here are applying greedy without checking optimality. What is dynamic programming?
Dynamic programming is an optimization technique that solves complex problems by breaking them down into simpler subproblems, storing the results to avoid redundant calculations. It's widely used in solving problems like Fibonacci series and pathfinding.
Key concepts here are dynamic programming, optimization techniques, related to real scenarios. Common mistakes candidates make here are ignoring overlapping subproblems. Write a function to perform a linear search in an array.
Here's a simple linear search function, checking each item in the array until finding the target.
Key concepts here are linear searching, algorithm implementation, discuss potential inefficiencies. Common mistakes candidates make here are forgetting to handle the return if not found. Implement a function to find the maximum in a list using recursion.
Here's a recursive function that compares the first element with the maximum of the rest, returning the largest.
Key concepts here are recursion, finding maximum elements, emphasize base and recursive cases. Common mistakes candidates make here are forgetting the base case can lead to infinite recursion. Create a function to sort a list using bubble sort.
Bubble sort compares adjacent elements, swapping them if they're in the wrong order, ensuring the largest bubbles to the end on each pass.
Key concepts here are sorting algorithms, bubble sort methodology. Discuss its inefficiency on large datasets. Common mistakes candidates make here are neglecting to track whether a swap occurred for early exit. Write a function to calculate the Fibonacci sequence using memoization.
This function stores previously computed Fibonacci numbers in a dictionary to improve efficiency significantly.
Key concepts here are dynamic programming, memoization. Explain its importance in improving recursion. Common mistakes candidates make here are not using memoization effectively. Construct a function to perform merge sort.
Merge sort divides the input array into halves, recursively sorts both halves, and merges them back together.
Key concepts here are sorting algorithms, divide and conquer, discuss worst case scenarios effectively. Common mistakes candidates make here are not merging sorted lists properly. That concludes the interview.
Thank you, Hari. And
Subscribe for more algorithm insights. For such content, do like, subscribe, and share.